Hey, fellow traveler, you're probably going to take that fantastic trip, and I'm excited for you. And as Matt Dover from Special Tasks, your security minor friend, you probably looked at my video before about not driving internationally, but you're going to do it anyways, right? You're going to be that person that's going to drive internationally. So let's talk a little about driving internationally. I've driven a lot of places in a lot of countries, and it's very unique. I live here in San Diego. Even here, because it's such a mixed environment, cultures, that can be a whole game changer as well. But one of the big things we talk about is looking at the age requirement for the country that you're going to for renting. Now, can you get past that? Yes. Usually it's going to cost you more money. So you're 21 years or less, it's going to cost you a lot more money. They might take a little advantage of you. So take the time to do the research before you get to that. Don't arrive in the country and go, hey, you know what? I think I'm going to rent a car. It's really a bad idea. Take the time really to do the research ahead of time and make sure those numbers are in place. A lot of places will not take a debit card. They require an actual credit card, or they're going to debit a certain amount of money to offset some of the costs. So also keep that in mind. The third thing I'd also talk about is international driver's license. There's definitely a value in it to have it. The reason I stress it is most police departments that they really want to deal with you, they're going to take that particular card and not your actual license. What you paid for an international license and the drama that you went through is not what it took you to get your regular license from your state or your country or your province that you live in and reside. Trying to get that actual legal document back could be much more of a headache moving forward. So like I said, those things I think are really important. Take the time to do the research, look at the age, look at the credit requirement, look at the business, try to stay with your more well-known companies. Now, you're not going to always have that in every country, but take that time to do that and get that international license. Make a copy of it. Make a copy of your regular license in color. As we talk about all the other documents, you should have almost every one of your documents stored at home, copied. That includes your credit card, your driver's license, everything else. And it really does behoove you to have those as well in color copies somewhere with you there. That'll ease your pain later when things do go south. So I hope these tips help you for your international driving experience, even though I told you not to do it. You're probably going to do it anyways, and I hope these tips really guide you to making that smart decision, and we wish you the best. As always, I'm Matt Dover with Special Tasks, your security-minded friend, and as we always say, know before you go.